In this section of video, good morning student. In this section of video, we are talking about the first chapter of physics, that is electric charge and field. In the previous section, we have talking about the Coulombic force or the electrostatic force, and after that we have talking the dielectric media and what were the changing in the force value when we have introduced a dielectric media and the some numerical section and numerical problem in this video. That we have to start the Coulombic force. The Coulombic force or the electrostatic force is applicable for the point charge and the point charge, and they are kept in a vacuum and air. When we have to already told you that the force are directly proportional to the product of the point charge and inversely proportional to square distance between the charge. So the value is F equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. This is Coulombic equation given by Coulombs, and that the K is a constant. In the NCERT, it was also mentioned this was a constant, and this constant was given by a scientist named Kappa. So this in this honor, it was known as the Kappa constant, and their values we have already told, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and the numerical value is 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. And we have going on talking about that E naught. E naught is the permittivity of free space. What is the permittivity of free space? Permittivity of a media is the property which allow the electric field line to pass through it. And the dielectric media, when we have introduced, their permittivity get changes from free space to dielectric media. It denoted by epsilon naught m. And we have also talking relative permittivity and what is the dielectric constant. Relative permittivity and dielectric constant are same thing, and some confusion in some books, and they are also in this other section. We have not talking about that, but it was clear that relative permittivity and dielectric constant are same thing. What is the relative permittivity? The relative permittivity is the ratio of permittivity of media with respect to free space, and the value of free space relativity, that is 8.8 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square Newton per meter square. And we have talking just that the relative permittivity with the relative property, and the relative property are unitless and dimensionless property. Then we have going upon the definition that the Coulombic force and the electrostatic force. The Coulombic and electrostatic force is the force between in 2 point charges, which is attractive or repulsive. It depends on the nature of charge. Then we have going the equation. Then we have talking, if the 2 point charge are kept at a distance r, then they can be attract or repel each other, which is directly proportional to the product of point charge and inversely proportional to square of a distance between them. This was the statement of Coulombic force or electrostatic force. That is permittivity of free space. That is, it is the property of a media or a free space which allow the pass the electric force lines through it. And the value is 8.85 into 10 power minus 2 coulomb square Newton meter square. Electrostatic force is a vector quantity, so it is follow the vector sum and not algebraic sum. Coulombic force is an attractive as well as repulsion force, and is depend on the nature of charge. If both charge are positive or negative nature, the force is a repulsion, repulsion in nature, repulsive nature, and they have opposite in nature like positive negative or negative positive. The force is attractive forces. In this figure, that is first and second charge, and F21, that is denoted the force on second charge by first, and this notation that force on first charge by second, but their direction are opposite, so they are use minus sign, because in vector notation when we have taken a sign as positive and another is in negative. and the magnitudes are same. It means that the force of attraction or repulsion is magnitudely are equal. Just like Newton's third law, they attraction and repulsion with the same magnetic forces. In the next section, when we have talking about the permittivity of media and the relative permittivity and the dielectric constant, and already we have to told in this section that relative permittivity and dielectric media are not different things, they are same things. The equation, the relative permittivity is the ratio of permittivity of media with respect to permittivity of free space, and they are relative quantity, so the unit letter and dimension lengths have to cross multiply, then the permittivity of media is equal to relative permittivity into multiply by permittivity free space, या dielectric constant into permittivity of free space. And this section that we introduce the dielectric media, that the dielectric constant is k, by putting this value that Fm is equal to F naught by small k. We have noticed that it is small k, not capital K. Capital K is a kappa constant, that is proportional constant, and small k is the dielectric constant of a media. So by this equation we have just clear that by introducing a dielectric media, force is decreased by 1 by small k times of initial value. If the partial dielectric media, that the thickness T is introduces, then the force value for the equation and the formula is k equal to q1 q2 r minus t plus t root k whole square. This equation are used. By the superposition of charge, if more than one force are acting on a point charge, then then forces are summed in these equations, that is F1, F2, F3 and F4. For a special point, that the two forces are applicable on the point charge and they are acting on the same direction, that the angle are 0. Yeah, if the question are saying they have 0 degree angle or parallel, that they are summed F1 plus F2, and they are acting at 180 degree, yeah, anti-parallel. By the question have to say that F1 subtract by F2, and they are acting at 90 degree or perpendicular, then F net is root F1 plus F2 a whole square. If they are acting at an angle theta, then the F net value, resultant force value, that is root F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta. When we have to going on the numerical section, just have written that the plastic piece, the rubbing with the wool, the transfer of electron, that is 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. First question, they calculate the number of electron transfer and the mass is transfer or not. First, that we have used the equation quantization Q equal to NE. We have to know that the charge is transfer. The magnitude was given in the question. By putting this value and this electronic charge, we have to know that is 1.6 to the power minus 19. By solving this, that is 1.875 10 to the power 12 electron or transfer. Mass transfer, we have to know the number of electron. By this we have to calculate, and mass of electron, that is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram. By solving this, that 17.06 10 to the power minus 19 mass are transfer, but it is a negligible mass. In the next section of question, it said that 5 into 10 to the power 6 electron are transferred from a body A to B, then amount of charge transfer. And the second question is nature of body A and B. Charge transfer A to B, then we have uses the quantization equation Q equal to NE. By solving this value putting and solving this, the charge transfer value is 8 into 10 to the power 17 coulomb transfer. A loses the charge, so it is positive charge, and B accepted the charge, so it is a negative charge. And the second question, the 2 point charges, their value is 40 microcoulomb and 10 microcoulomb, and distance between them is 20 centimeter if the question do not say anything about vacuum or air present in this both charge. By using the formula of Coulombic force, F equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. First we have to know that the all value are putting in SI system. We have to solve this, and this is radius is 0.2 meter. By putting the value K, numerical value 9 into 10 power 9, and Q1 Q2 is 40 micro. That means 10 power minus 6. The value have to putting that and solving that. That is F is equal to 90 Newton. And the next section, when we have introduced a dielectric media and whose dielectric constant is given is 10, then we use the equation Fm is equal to F naught by R. F for any media, F naught any, this is the question of 90 when we have to solving this, and divided by 10, that is 9 Newton. So this is clear that after introducing a dielectric media, the force get decreased by 1 by K times of dielectric media. And this question is given for your homework, and I accepted that you have comment in the comment box for this answer, and I will upload it for the next video and the answer of this also. And the last section of video, I have want to say that if you have any query and any question in your mind, then you have to comment in this comment box, and also like and subscribe for the channel, and also share in the groups with your friend circle. And what the query you have to please comment in the comment box. Thank you.